So I jumped on the bandwagon and bought a 3D printer. And everybody immediately told me, bro, you got to go out and get the Fanttik Revostor F2 Pro. So here it is. I'm going to find out what the big fuss is about. It seems pretty cool. It's nice and heavy. I like that. So let's dig into it. We're going to do a little testing with it, and we're going to put on a part on the back of my printer, and we're just going to see how it works. I hope it's charged. Here I am, once again, breaking things to pieces. We're gonna bust into this thing and see what we got. Maybe not. Bro, what the heck? All right, you must be smarter than the outer wrapping. Oh, we got a charging cable, a couple pieces of foam. I'm so excited about this. This is so cool. So immediately you're gonna notice that this thing is really solid, really well made. Like, this is not junk. So just a quick overview, you get the tool, a 1-foot charging cord, instructions, this little add-on about some of the tools, the extra tools. So this is straight out of the package. We're gonna hit that button and this thing's gonna pop up, and this is the tool. How cool is that? You have your chuck, the lock for the chuck, and to be honest, I haven't. Oop, there we go. Press down to firmly set speed. And there it goes. It's working straight out of the box. 3 power levels. Very easy to figure out. You know, like I said, I'm not using the instructions to figure this out. So we're going to go back over to this part, and you have all the tools. You have grinders. So something popped out. Rotary wheels, brushes, drill bits. That is for a sanding. And this is what popped out here. It's all magnetized. This is done like super well. This is awesome. I think for my project, I'm just going to use one of these little polishing stones. And I'm going to throw it in here. You probably need to loosen that up a little bit. Yep. And then lock it down. It comes with the wrench in the additional attachments box. Tighten it down a little bit. This is a poop chute container that I printed because my printer poops from the back, so this will help bring it to the front. So we'll bring it in. I had some flaws in my printing right there. The whole thing is not great. Like I said, I'm new. This is like my 3rd 3D print. This is working really good to clean up the edges. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. So going through this container here, like I said, we have the wrench, and it's got a screwdriver attachment in the front. Then you've got this, which holds these sanding discs. It's a very standard size sanding disc, so I don't think getting more would be hard. And then you have like the wire brush, a couple buffing pads, a cutting wheel, diamond cutting wheel, a serious little cutting saw. That thing is super small and sharp. And then a couple grinding discs. This is a great kit. I see why my friends have told me to get this one. I'm happy with it. And then I guess to add charging it, I think you just throw that in there and then throw this in there. Or is it like this? Yeah, like this. And then plug in here and plug into USB.